is Orchid Lover again here. Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today I really have exciting video for you, everybody. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing really good. I've got Amaryllis here, or lily we call in back home, lilies. I cut this carrot juice container. Excuse my washing machine, guys, it's working, the robot now. And today I saw this one in the ground and kind of rotten. There's powder insects on it and they're really sucking the juice from the poor plant. So what I'm gonna do, I did save it and I clean it thoroughly in our sink, and I leave some of the few really healthy roots on it to make it really suck all the nutrients from the normal tap water that I used. We got really good tap water here, guys, so I don't have to worry on that. And this one I cut the halfway of 1.25 liter of the juice, and this is a plastic one, so I see the transparency. I see what's going on in the water. If this one will gonna be clogging and yellow color, I'm gonna turn it up in changing water. And this is my new experiment today, guys, and I really love to show this to you. This is my Amaryllis. What I did with this Amaryllis was, it was rotting here, and it's really rotten. As you can see, I sprayed them now with hydrogen peroxide. I clean it thoroughly. They look like a bombay or onion, guys. So yeah, I guess they are relative of onions too, but they are not a really strong smell that onion though. So yeah, this is the pure roots here. Wish me luck, everybody. This is my new project of experimenting things for my Amaryllis. This is red color Amaryllis too. So yeah, I'm really happy to share this idea to you guys, and I hope you like it. I'm just focusing this with the camera. Yeah, today is summertime here in Australia. It's the first week of December, so yeah, I started to clean them up because I saw them, it's struggling in my yard. Right there in the soil, and the soil is not really good, and too many attacking them, and the leaves growing here, 2 or 3 of them already. It's a lot of white stuff powdery, and then really that's the kind of insect that's sucking the juice out from the plant. So poor baga, it was heaps of them, even the leaves like this amount now, like that length. It wasn't really nice. So, and even here, a lot of juice, a lot of that white insects here. So yeah, that's the really culprit, and I found out today why this one is really doing so good. So after flowering, I cut them up, and then I cut the flower, and of course I removed it from the soil, and I'm going to save them. For now, I'm going to put this in water culture. So yeah, guys, putting this in water culture here, and I got a sea salt here solution. So in order for them, the roots not so shock a lot, I'm gonna put this. This is the amount of water I put here, guys, and I really make sure this root here, root crown here, the crown of this, it won't get attached with the water, or don't touch with the water, otherwise it's quickly to get rotten. She got really nice with the bulb, healthy one now. After I clean everything, I spray them with hydrogen peroxide to remove the pathogen from the powdery insects. So yeah, wish me luck, and I'm really too sure this one, it will work for me, and I'm gonna update this to you if there is something happening in this Amaryllis red color. And today I got already sea salt here solution, just only sea salt solution. I will chuck them in the water, something like that, half at least amount. I got full syringe, I put a half amount at least, and I leave it be. And yeah, this time I put this Amaryllis here that I've been cutting. Okay, I make sure I turn the, oh by the way, I put the rocks there too, the lava rocks, so it get more weight from my thing, so it won't get easy to tip, because it's nice and heavy in the bottom, so it won't get tipped easy from the wind when I put this outside. Anyhow, I'm really happy that I did this today, and yeah, And also I got another one here. I just try to, because this one got roots, so I don't need to put skewer on them. So yeah, this one I set aside and I show you another one. Here's is another one. It kind of medium to small, small to medium size, kind of. So yeah, I put the rocks too, and some water. As you can see, the water is not really touching the base of my Amaryllis crown here in the middle system. So I also got this, and I got only some few water just to suck the roots, suck the water off from this. So because this is really water culture now, so I'm gonna have a look and gonna take a look at this thoroughly, if what's happening to this in the future few days. I hope it won't get rats. For sure it will be fine because it's a really good weather now in summer. Welcome to Australian summer, guys. And I've got a sisal here. Also, I'm gonna put directly this in the water like that, and I just leave it be. And after this video, I'm gonna put note here when did I start here. And in the cup, I just put the cup for decoration. Anyhow, they are really in these pots, in this plastic container that from the yogurt. I just recycle them. In this, I think you can see much. Oopsie. In this little one, they're really tiny Amaryllis. Yeah, guys, and I leave some of the very nice good roots as well. Yeah, and as you can see, I stubbed them with the barbecue skewer, but they are pretty clean, came from the shop. So I get half of this. So in order for this to hang on each other, I just put this one here. Voila. Or you can use anything just to hang on this. Don't worry about this thing. When you stub them, you worry that it won't grow, but it will grow, guys. Because these Amaryllis plants, they are really hardy one. They are tough, no matter how you kill them or whatever. As long as there's something kind of source of media that they can grow, they will really thriving for you. Yeah. And also I cut this as well because they were so struggling. No wonder they didn't have a really grow much this year. It's kind of really weird weather. They could feel it, and plants could tell it to you as the owner, because they've been flowering really like years and years. They come back for us, but this year they just only got few flowers, and the rest of them attacking with this white powdery stuff. So there you go, guys. I cut them, and also I did it with the other one too. So I put them in the same container because they are small anyway. So for now they are in the water culture, and I put the lava rock as well in the bottom to get more weights, and also they like the thing from the lava rock. I get some kind of nutrients in them. And I got sea salt here. I also put this one here, spread all of them, and left anyway. And I make sure I get this, so all the juice from sea salt will come out. And yeah, guys, this one I finished. I already put the sea salt solution in them. And yeah, and look at this, it looked like a bit dried now than it was earlier, and it was kind of a lot of juicy here. That's good with the hydrogen peroxide. It's more on, all of this is gone, and then the thing is dried up. And I probably, after this video, I'm gonna put the cinnamon powder on this. Okay, I'll set aside that. And now we have to go in this one was attacking with that white insects too, the powdery one. And yeah, I cut them all, I chopped them, although they have already kind of leaves. Same thing with this kind of leaves already, but the leaves wasn't good. They are everywhere. So yeah, the water is absorbing now, the roots are absorbing. And I already put this last amount of my sea salt. They are put together here. Yeah, and I will notify this when this one is some kind of growth going in here. So give them 3 weeks or month or so, so you'll see the difference result on this. It's good like that I poke this with the bamboo skewer, because it's kind of holding back together like that, but I guess I make hole on this. It's alright. They're very good plant and very forgiving. Yeah, I'm gonna update this to you guys when this one got a really good kind of growth soon, which is make me so exciting. This roots is not drinking a lot than this little one. That's crazy. Look at that roots. The roots is already wet, while this one is not really wet. This one is. Whoa, these roots are drinking a lot. That's strange. This big one, maybe it takes a while to get wet with the big one because they're really fat. So the bulb, so you can see guys, they are not in the bottom, so the crown is not wet. I'll see. Okay guys, yeah, this one, make sure it don't really goes in the water, otherwise it will turn rots. I hope you enjoyed this video of mine guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I see you all next time. God bless you all. See you, orchid lover again in Australia. Please subscribe, like and share our video, and make sure you do comment if you like this video. Give us a comments or any suggestions, and yeah, really happy to hear all your comment guys. Thank you. We'll see you again soon. Bye. Bye.